In this video, I'm going to unbox my mugs that just came from HeatPressNation. I'm also going to show you how the mugs look like and talk about the mugs along with my experience with HeatPressNation. But before we get started, if you're new here, my name is Lala and Derek and I created this channel, DIYMugBiz, to help others build their own highly profitable online coffee mug businesses from scratch. If you're thinking about starting your own online coffee mug business, consider subscribing to our channel because mugs are all that we do. And be sure to stick around to the end of this video where I'll show you how you can get our free ultimate DIYMugBiz starter kit if you're looking to start your own highly profitable online coffee mug business. In the starter kit, you'll know exactly the equipment and inventory you'll need to start your own online coffee mug business. Now, let's get to the video. Okay guys, this is the box that just came from HeatPressNation. There's 36 mugs in this box. I have my scissor ready. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. The mugs comes in different layers, and there's 3 layers that look exactly like this on top of each other. So the mugs are actually packed in its own separate little individual, and it looks like it's padded with some cardboard to separate the mugs. And it also comes wrapped in a plastic bag. So this is how it looks like once you open up the box. So if I lift up the first layer, it looks like there's just another layer underneath. And again, there's 3 layers of this. So I'm just gonna go and put this back. And I'll bring one of the mugs out so we can talk about it and show you how it looks like. There's 7 things I want to discuss with you guys about my mug orders with HeatPressNation. Number 1, lead time. I ordered my mugs through HeatPressNation about a week and a half ago, and I just received them. Lead time with HeatPressNation is great. I have no complaints about that. Normally, sometimes other companies takes longer than that, and you will have to plan months ahead to make sure that you get your orders, your mug orders in time so that you don't run out. But with HeatPressNation, I don't ever have to worry. When I notice that I'm low, I normally just give myself at least 2 to 3 weeks time to order with them, and I get it within a week, sometimes a week and a half. But with this order, I got it within a week's time. So no complaints there with HeatPressNation. Lead time is great. Number 2 is the mug packaging. I really like that my mugs comes in a plastic bag. I believe these are dust bags. It actually has a plastic bag wrapped around the mug in the box. Therefore, I really like that it comes in with a plastic bag covering the mugs so that the mug is not just out in the open in the box. So packaging is great. No complaints there with HeatPressNation. Love that it comes covered in a plastic bag. Number 3, I want to discuss with you guys about the different mugs that HeatPressNation have. With this one, I ordered the 2-tone, which is the black handle with the black rim and the black inside. I really love that they give you options on different colors. I tend to stick with the black and white because my customer tend to love this white with the black rim and black inside along with the black handle. Of course, if you're ordering through HeatPressNation, there's many different color option that you can pick from. And then that leads us to number 4. So number 4, I want to do a comparison between my 15-ounce mug, which is the one that I just received from HeatPressNation, and an 11-ounce mug that I have. So if putting them next together, you can see the difference in heights and in size. The 11-ounce mug is a lot smaller, and it's actually a lot lighter than the 15-ounce. The 15-ounce mug from HeatPressNation is a lot sturdier, and it's just heavier. Therefore, I tend to stick with the 15-ounce mug. Originally, I have both of these mugs on my shop, but after a while, I decided that I'm gonna stop offering the 11-ounce mug and just offer my customer the 15-ounce mug, because I get a lot of feedbacks from my customers saying how much they like the mug, that they didn't expect the mug to be sturdy and heavy along with the bigger size. So I have my scale here so that I can measure the weight difference so that you can see the weight difference between the 11-ounce mug and the 15-ounce mug. So I'm going to go ahead and measure the 11-ounce mug first. So the 11-ounce mug is 10.4 ounce in weight. And then I'm going to grab the 15-ounce and measure that. And the 15-ounce mug is 15.6 ounce in weight. So as you can see, the weight difference, the 11 ounce compared to the 15 ounce, the 15 ounce is a lot bigger, a lot heavier, and just a lot sturdier when you grab onto it. Moving on to number 5. So number 5 on the list is checking for damage and defects. So when you get your mugs order in, make sure to double check each individual mugs to see if there's any damages or defects. As we all know, sometimes it comes in with a crack or just damage, because sometimes with the shipping carriers, your packages can get mishandled. So just make sure that when you get your mugs order in, check for any damages and defects. And with the defects, you can get some dimples on the side or even inside of your mugs. So make sure you evaluate your mugs to see if there's any defects or damages, because you don't want to send those out to your customers. And moving along to number 6, that leads us to our customer service. So when you get a damaged mug or a defective mug, make sure to take a picture of that and send that to customer service. I noticed that with HeatPressNation, they are very good with replying back to your emails and answering your questions. Once they get that email of your defective or damaged mug picture, they are really good about refunding that mug back to you. With my mugs order, I don't normally have many defects or damaged mugs, but when I do, I would take a picture and I would send that over to HeatPressNation customer service, and they are very good about making sure I get my refund within either the same day or next day. So with customer service, I would have to say I have no complaints there. HeatPressNation customer service is great. Last but not least, to number 7. Number 7 is my overall experience with HeatPressNation. I would have to say they are a great company. I've been ordering my mugs through them for the past couple of years, and I have no complaints. From lead time to the quality of the mugs to customer service, I love that they get back to me whenever I have any concerns with any of my orders. So there you have it. But before I let you go, as promised, I'm going to show you how you can get my ultimate DIY free starter kit. The link for the ultimate DIYMugBiz starter kit will be in the description below. Also, you will find that link in the comment. Once you click that link, it will take you to this homepage. Once you're on the home page, if you scroll down, it will be the first box. Once you click on that first box, it'll take you to the home page of the Ultimate DIYMugBiz Starter Kit. In the starter kit, you will find the exact equipment and inventory you need to start your very own mug business. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find the goods that the starter kit will prepare you and educate you for your own mug business. And then if you keep scrolling down, you'll find the enroll button. Once you click on that button, it will take you to this sign up page. Once you sign up, you will get an email confirmation saying that you are now enrolled. I hope that this video was helpful, and if you like this video, please click the like button. Also, if you're thinking about starting your own online mug business, consider subscribing to our channel because mugs are all that we do. And I will see you in the next video.